Good morning. Today is Wednesday, January 3, 2024. It's about 5 minutes in front of 9 a.m., 35 minutes or so before the market opens. And you are looking at 7 levels that have been calculated to trade against today. As you know, these levels in the SPY or spiders are the basis for activating trades in the E-mini futures or the ES. The vertical dotted line on the left is where the spiders closed yesterday on Tuesday, and everything after this line will be today's activity in the spiders. And we'll circle back around this afternoon to analyze the trades for today. And currently, at right before 9 a.m., the spiders are a few cents below 471 in the pre-market. Okay, here we are at the end of the day. The spiders hit 2 levels, which resulted in 2 trades, one of which wasn't very pretty. I'll remove the non-factor levels that the spiders never got to and zoom in a little, and we'll cover the details. The first trade was short and sweet. The spiders came up into 470.82. And a short position triggered in the E-minis when the spiders touched 470.77. You'll notice that on this first little push here in the market, they spiked the operating level by just 2 cents. They were up at 470.79, but that's all that was needed to activate the trade. And the rest was history. They pulled away for a first base hit of the day. Just very quickly. The second trade was a long position when the spiders came down into 469.52. and triggered the long position in the ES. They popped a little here, but it wasn't enough to satisfy the base hit profit target, so this trade was out of the money for a little while. And as it turned out, they hung out below the fumble threshold just the right or wrong, depending on how you're looking at it, amount of time, and the signal for a reversal was, in fact, initiated. And it happened right as the spiders found some footing and started to climb again. This is exactly the opposite of what you want in a trade like this. I was looking at the next level down at 468.33, ready to buy again if they got there. But when the fumble signal materialized, it suggested that if they continued lower, the reversal would wash out some of the loss from the fumble at the original level and still be able to enter a new long trade at 468.33. That would have been ideal, but as you can see, the worst case scenario happened, and the reversal turned into another fumble and produced what I call a TKO. In boxing, when a fighter has been knocked down too many times, or the referee believes that a fighter cannot continue to fight safely, or for other reasons, that's the point the referee calls the fight. Same kind of thing here. The fight, as it were, needed to be brought to a close. So that did not work out very well. But the good news is that when you look at all possible trade scenarios with this strategy, TKOs are far and away the least likely outcome of a trade. Currently, the metrics for days where one or more levels are hit and produce trades, less than 3% of those produce a TKO. And if you're wondering, it's 32.2% for fumbles, which oftentimes result in a wash when the traders reverse under the right conditions, so fumbles aren't always bad. And days with one or more base hits are 98.9%. And I've mentioned this a few times before, but it bears repeating that this is a long-term strategy where the law of averages works in your favor. Back to this chart, the level at 468.33 was hit, but it had about 5 or 6 minutes left in the day, so no trade was activated. Spider just got there too late in the day. So how do these 2 trades translate into money? Well, the day started off pretty nice with the quick base hit at the 470.82. And then when the spiders came down into 469.47, that's when things got wrong-footed. The trade at that level fumbled, gave back 7 points, and then the subsequent reversal turned into a TKO, as we looked at, giving it back another 8 3/4 points. And then the 468.33 was a no trade because when the spiders hit that level. So the day did end in the red, but tomorrow is a new day, and we'll take what the market offers us. And that's all I have for today. Hope you found this information interesting and helpful. Have a great day.